In the hush before the day, soft light starts to find its way, shining on the open land, placing warmth in nature's hand. Every blade of grass adorned, glistening like hope reborn. Night is past and left behind, peace that settles in the mind. Morning comes to clear the air, bringing light to every prayer. Dewdrops shimmer where they lie, echoes of a quiet sigh. From the darkness we ascend, finding strength to rise again. In the glow we come alive, seeing beauty start to gentle sun begins to rise, painting gold across the skies. What felt heavy fades away, softened by the break of day. Healing comes in subtle ways, wrapped in glowing morning rays. Every struggle, every tear finds its meaning shining here. Morning comes to clear the air, bringing light to every prayer. Dewdrops shimmer where they lie, echoes of a quiet sigh. From the darkness we ascend, finding strength to rise again. In the glow we come alive, seeing beauty start to thrive. Every dawn reminds the heart the light will